August 17th, 2025. Looks like I might have a slight grounding or wiring issue. The oil gauge seems to be jumping around a little bit. I did fix the wire to the radiator. Temperature sensor seemed to pop off. Normally it's at 40.